Mrs. Alexander, a well-known businesswoman and philanthropist, was arrested this afternoon at her swanky townhouse nestled in an affluent St. Andrew neighborhood. A spokesperson for the police's Special Forces team, who apprehended Mrs. Alexander, says she has been charged for multiple counts of human trafficking internationally, conspiracy, being part of a criminal network, fraud, money laundering, and kidnapping. She is expected to be investigated by the lawmen later this week and could also face extradition to answer several charges overseas.
Now I've known Susan, you may know her as Mrs. Alexander, for over 2 decades. I've known her as a woman who has dedicated her life's work to helping the less fortunate, especially underprivileged teenage girls. It does come as a shock to us in the business community to see one of our leaders of industry and a builder of this country have her good name dragged into this kind of corruption and crime. It is a sad day in Jamaica when stalwarts like her become victims of the schemes of some wicked people who don't want to see people like her help Jamaicans from the inner city. We are confident, though, that she will be vindicated of these trumped up charges and get to return to her outstanding work. We stand with you, Mrs. Alexander.
I'm standing there and go more. Better fall with her. Hello?
Hey, sexy.
I see you have wrapped up your case.
Angie, thanks. Thanks, man.
Listen, Raymond, we're both adults, and it makes no sense hiding feelings anymore. So guess what?
Stop by the house and let's talk about it.
Okay.
Okay.
You know, sir, the woman that lick her head in, stop me. No shot. Talk about our feelings. No, man, we need to clear this up once and for all. Trust and believe.
Come.
Angie, you know, clearly, you and I are not on the same page, right? I see where you're going with this, and I really think you're under the wrong impression. I think you and I need to clear up some things right now.
Okay. Let's clear the air.
Angie, let me tell you something. This, I am not ready for this.
Neither am
Yeah. Auntie, let me just.
I rebuke that dream in the name of Jesus. No, no. You have to drink some water. No. No.